Good morning, everyone. It's Shauna the Tax Goddess. I wanted to cover, probably going to be filming quite a few videos today and over the next couple of days. Over the weekend, the third COVID bill has now passed both Congress and Senate and is on its way. They're just working out some reconciliations at this point. So, of course, we still don't know the final numbers, the final answers. However, there's a lot of really interesting little tweaks that are in the current proposed bill. Now, normally you guys know that I do not bring you facts until they are actually facts, but some of these things I thought you guys might like to know. So one of the most interesting ones that kind of caught my attention, normally unemployment insurance. Now, we've talked about there's base level unemployment insurance, there's additional unemployment insurance that the federal government is tacking on, so normally unemployment is at the state level. The feds have tacked on an additional unemployment insurance, and in this bill there is an additional or a continuance, I shouldn't say additional, it's a continuance of the extra $300 per week for unemployment insurance at the moment through September of 2021. Now, today is March 8th. So that would give us an additional 6 months of this extra $300 per week. I think I just said per month. It's $300 per week to the unemployment insurance. Now, what I thought was interesting was that as a part of this bill, one of the things that they're working on reconciling is they had actually discussed potentially making the first $10,200 of unemployment insurance not taxable retroactive to the 2020 tax return. So this is just another reason why, especially this year, you have heard Tax Goddess talk about file an extension, file an extension, file an extension. They are still making changes to the laws for previous years, for the 2020 year. Now, this is good, right, for those of you that received unemployment insurance. If this particular piece passes with the bill, you will not have to pay tax on the first $10,200 of the unemployment insurance. What it makes me a little nervous about is, one, what happens if you've already filed your taxes? Now you have to file an amended return. How long are you going to have to wait? If there was taxable income, you now have to get a refund. I mean, the IRS is still down at 10% capacity, according to what they've told the public. So I don't know, right? It's just one more reason, always file an extension. Always file an extension. Especially when we have things like this happening, we just don't know which way this is going to go. So for those of you, the individuals out there who are jobless, on unemployment at this time, at least they're discussing extending that $300, that additional $300 unemployment insurance all the way out through September of 2021. And if you have, in fact, filed your 2020 taxes already, today is March 8th, many people have already done that. I would suggest that you watch, chat with your CPA, watch this new bill that is working on being passed. Like I said, they're just right now in the reconciliation phase to see if that little exclusion, that $10,200 exclusion for not having to pay tax on your unemployment insurance is going to be in that bill. So as usual, guys, if you have any questions, we suggest that you post them to our Facebook group, Tax Strategies That Save Entrepreneurs Thousands, typically focused on business owners. But with COVID, I feel like I've been focused on everything over the past year and a half at this point. So if you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us in the group. And of course, you can always find us at taxgoddess.com. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Thanks. Bye.